Hello, everyone. You see, we love industry, we know industry, we are passionate about industry. That's how we can transform all of them. I would like to welcome all of you to the Continental booth at this year's Hannover Trade Show. My name is Lisette Conche, and I'm an industry rock star.
Hey.
Thank you. I even sound like one. After a year of preparation, my team and all my colleagues, we are really proud to show you what we have been working with in the past couple of months. So please stay with us, have a look around, and just have a talk and a chat with our experts. Started in 1947, the Hannover Trade Show became the largest industry show worldwide. And after 70 years, we come every year to this platform to present our innovations. And we are really proud to be here, but not only because this is our home base, Hannover, but also because we always are able to meet our customers who have become our friends along the years. These last 70 years have been really exciting for the whole industry, not only because we have managed a lot of challenges and a lot of new technologies, but also because we have had a lot of chances to develop the industry together with you. But this transformation wave is not over yet. There are many, many exciting years to come. Just think about artificial intelligence, about Industry 4.0, but also machine learning and many other innovations. So, and to talk about that and to give you an overview about what we're going to have within a couple of days, I would like to invite some colleagues that will join me on stage. Please welcome Claudia Holkemper, the head of Business Unit's Power Transmission Group at the Continental Industry Division, Continental. Welcome, Claudia.
Good morning.
Ola, han är från Axel Jonsson som ska vara med på nästa.
You see another industry rock star with us today. So, and please welcome Rodrigo Maya, head of industry segment at the Business Unit's Power Transmission Group.
Hello,
Hi,
everybody.
Rodrigo.
Good morning. Hello, Lisette. Hello, Claudia.
And last but not least, and because this year's partner country of the Hannover Trade Show is Sweden, please welcome Daniel Grimes, our man in Sweden. So, Claudia, this year's motto, as you all know, is Integrated Industry, Industrial Intelligence. And as you see at our booth, we have a lot of smart solutions. So, Claudia, what the customers will be seeing here during the event?
Well, Lisette, I think I'm already quite impressed of our booth. This is already a great impression, which is showing us tradition, like these brick walls. But on the other hand, we have all this smart industry here in the booth, and I think this is already quite an innovation. But as you can see here, we are offering for the industry quite a big range of products, and we are really looking at different industries all over the world. And here you see a lot of examples where we are still investing in our products, in technical solutions for our customers. And being part of a big corporation, we even have the advantage that we have easy access, for example, to sensor technology, which is quite common already in the automotive industry. We have a lot of experts in-house, and this is something you see also here at the booth. You will find quite some new products where we are using sensor technology, and this is becoming more and more important also in the industrial business. So this year you will find a lot of products with sensoric technique. And just giving you a few examples, in the conveyor belt business, we have already had several years where we showing or monitoring the flow of belts, and also we are monitoring the speed of belts with sensoric. Now we have in the air springs industry a new invention where we have pneumatic bellows with integrated sensors for remote mentoring of state and health of the bellows. And also in our vibration control unit, there we find now sandwich mounts, also with integrated sensors, and for condition monitoring and load sensoring. So a lot of products with sensor technology, but we are not only looking at product solutions, we are also looking at service solutions. We have a new invention of our web shop, and we will do some more e-learning tools. So there is quite a lot we can offer. And I just would like to ask you not to miss this afternoon the new launch of the crimper unit, which you see here just in front of me. So this is one of the biggest inventions we can show, I think.
Yeah, Claudia, that's really good. Thank you very much. You have mentioned the world is changing, everything is moving really fast. So Rodrigo, this is a really great challenge that we have at the moment. So customers, they want to be treated individually, they want services, they want customized products and services, and the demand is really, really huge. How does Continental overcome this challenge, and what sets us apart from the competitors?
Lizette, I believe you are raising a very important point. Personally, I'm very much convinced that we at Continental, we have several key factors that set us apart from our competitors. So let me give you 3 specific examples, and I would like to start by the products. I think if you look across our corporation, with our diverse product range, we do have at the moment already what it takes to bring more value to the customer. So the second point for me is clear innovation. Innovation has always been a key pillar from our company. Today, more than ever, innovation is playing a very important role, and we are prepared for that. So the last point, and very importantly for me, is our team, our employees. We are really having a genuine interest to travel around the world, go to our customers, talk to them, understand what they need in order to have success, come back home, work very hard across our corporation, deliver solutions with our products and with our innovations. So by combining products range, by combining innovation capabilities, our values that we have at Continental for our employees, I'm very sure that will continue to set us apart from the competition.
Yeah, and we definitely will. So as you said, innovation are playing a crucial role by developing new business model, by developing some new products that the customers actually expect from us. On Wednesday, we are going to have the Innovation Challenge also where our employees will develop an idea in the afternoon, and you're going to be also there. What makes this Innovation Challenge so special? What can we expect this year out of it?
So talking about the Inno Challenge, for me feels like going into a very good restaurant. So we at Continental, we have in our kitchen full of plenty ingredients. So we have rubber, we have smart rubber, we have sensors, intelligent sensors, we have software, we have infrastructure. So I think we have a kitchen full of nice ingredients. On top of that, we have invited excellent cooks from across the division, across the corporation, across the world. The cook will come here on Wednesday and will prepare something for us. So coming back to your question and what can we expect, I think everything is possible to expect. I think we can expect excellent food, going from street food up to gourmet food. Or in other words, I think we can expect a lot about innovation on product level, but why not also totally new different business models. I think everything is possible, and I'm very curious and already with appetite for Wednesday.
Yeah, thank you very much. We are also really excited and looking forward to get your ideas that the colleagues will come up with. Daniel, so Sweden, we have the pleasure to have Sweden as a partner country for this year for the Hannover Messe, and in Sweden we also have a representative office. Why is Sweden so important for Continental? What makes Sweden so special for Continental?
First of all, Lisette, I'm really happy that Sweden is partner country this year. I think it's about time to put Sweden on the map.
Yeah, so I think we should give a really huge applause to the Sweden colleagues that have made the whole way to Hannover.
Yeah, since the 60s, early 60s already, Continental has been active in the Swedish market for our industrial product range and provided solutions to our customers. Relations have been very strong for a long time, are very sustainable. Sweden is a very mature market. But despite the fact it is mature, it has been growing quite stable the recent years, and so has Continental's share in the market. And we are also proud to say that even last year again, it was the all-time high with regard to sales revenue in Sweden.
Okay.
But I will also want to switch the question and say, I also think Continental is very important to Swedish industry. When we look, for example, to conveyor belts in the mining industry, Europe's largest iron ore mine is run by Contintech conveyor belts, which make sure that processes are stable and safe. If we look to vibration mounts or bushings for the construction equipment industry, it helps machinery to go more smooth, more comfortable. Fuel or kerosene suspension all over the country will be done through Contintech hoses. And last but not least, transmissions are generated and done very efficiently by our transmission systems. If you look at safety, reliability, sustainability, quality, but also innovative solutions, in Sweden this is non-negotiable. If you want to do business, you have to perform. And this is the perfect fit for Continental. Last but not least, I think people and business partners from Sweden and Germany, they share a mutual affection. They like each other, we understand each other, and that's a good way to make business.
Yeah. Yeah, but also Sweden is a prime example for innovation and science. What makes Sweden so innovative? What can we just copy from them, for example?
It's a very interesting question, Lisette, and it has also been widely discussed for many years. Since many years, Sweden is already in the Global Innovation Index between the number 1 and number 3 in ranking. If we look at early examples, the 3-point seatbelt or the pacemaker, Swedish innovations. If we look at the younger history, Spotify, Skype, all coming from Sweden. This shows Sweden is an innovation powerhouse, and it will continue to be so. So answers are diverse, but if I pick a few of the answers that are discussed, of course, Swedish government is very interested in pushing innovation. You have free education at universities. The government is spending money for scientific institutions. There are good investments and so on. And also, the investment into innovation is highest in Europe with 3.3% of the gross domestic product. Of course, you can also say, it is safe to say that Sweden is, what can you say, a very hard country to live in. It's very cold, distances are very far, it's not easy to get around. Of course, this has for centuries made people to be innovative. It was required to invent stuff to make life livable in Sweden. And then, of course, we have a very, very well-performing social security system. If you want to start your own company, if you want to work with your own innovations, you can be sure that even if you fail, you will still be able to continue living. And this definitely pushes people to try their own stuff. But when I sum this all up, for me personally, I think one important question, if you have to deal with a Swedish person, is why? Swedish people, they ask the question why. They are not satisfied with the situation as it is. They want to know why things are happening, and being curious and questioning stuff that is already there is definitely a good recipe to be innovative.
So that means if someone from Sweden comes and asks me, why do we do what we do, we say because we love industry, right?
Yes.
Perfect, it sounds good to me. So then let's have a look into the future, Claudia. If we just can picture the future and the challenges, of course, and the trends of the power transmission industry, what do you see?
Well, I think one of the biggest challenges is the digitalization, which is really influencing our business a lot and which is especially influencing our relation to the customers.
Absolutely.
So if I would have a dream, I would dream being somewhere with the customer in the cloud, having all the data available, having all the information available on our products, so that there is a good service we can offer. We are digital solutions. So, but then I hear Daniel saying, why? So I think still with all the digitalization, we have to make sure we keep in touch with our customers, still sit with our customers at the desk. So use the digitalization to promote our products, to have an easier business with our customers, but still keep in touch with the customers. I think that will be the most important thing for the future.
Absolutely. So, and after so many weeks of preparation, what is your personal highlight going to be, Daniel? Let's start with you.
First of all the Swedish companies, no doubt about it. But I'm also very much looking forward to the Smart Crimper launch at noon.
Okay, we too. Yeah. Rodrigo, what about you? What are you looking for?
Lisette, just before I answer your question, let me tell that I learned today that my wife, I think she comes from Sweden.
Oh.
She asks a lot of why. So now I know the reason.
Now we've got it.
No, very difficult question you are. So why we stay here? I think there is plenty of reasons to come to our booth. Let me highlight two. I'm very excited to show the innovation that we have been working so long and so intensively on, and we have a lot of good innovations that we can display. So for me, it's one of the reasons to come and to visit us. The second, very important, I'm very much looking forward to speak with our customers, to see what kind of projects they have, the strategies, and to align with our strategy. I'm very much looking forward.
Yeah, I can imagine that. Claudia, what about you?
Well, definitely also meeting our customers here at the booth, trying to see what their needs are, but also to look around and really get a feeling for what else is on in the market, especially in terms of Industry 4.0, digitalization, etc. And last but not least, I'm pretty much looking forward on Wednesday for our Inno Challenge, where we see what our young talents have to offer, so that's great.
Absolutely, we are really looking forward to the Innovation Challenge too. So thank you very much. I would like to thank you very much for your time and for your wonderful answers. I wish you a fantastic trade show and of course a lot of business closing.
Thank you,
good
Lisette.
talks. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
So, and if you ask me, my personal highlight is going to be the Continental Industrial Summit that we will be holding here at our booth the next 3 days. So, and I'm not going to do that by myself. So I have invited someone that has been working for TVs, for associations, for some other industries and other companies, and has a lot of experience. So please welcome Alyosha Höhn. I think I can see him. Thank you. Just a big applause for
it's
him.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you.
So Alyosha is going to be our host in the next 3 days and will guide our internal and external experts through the interviews and the talks that we will be having. We will be talking about sustainability, about digitalization. We are going to be talking about the crimper, of course, and we are going to be talking about the future of the industries. So we have been working quite a long time now together. Why have you decided to join us and go with us through this journey?
Yeah. First of all, thanks for having me here.
Of course.
And to answer your question, I really like companies that are doing innovative and exciting work, and Continental is definitely one of these companies. And as you just said, we have an amazing program at our summit, and I'm absolutely sure that we will take a lot of great input and ideas with us at the end.
Yeah, absolutely. So, and you know the program, you know the experts, you have read a lot about it. What is your favorite one? What is your highlight?
Okay, for me a very important topic at the moment is sustainability, and I'm very happy that Continental is thinking the same. So I'm really looking forward to having several talks here on stage with experts from Continental and its experts or its partners about sustainability. And another highlight is on Wednesday. It is the Science Slam. I think this is going to be a great finale.
Yeah, we are also looking forward to. So as you see, Alyosha is also really excited to be with us and to join us this week. So we will have a lot of fun, a lot of interesting talks, and we will have a really successful Continental Industrial Summit. So if you want to have a look at the agenda that we have, a daily agenda, you can just have a look at that corner. You will see the name of the speakers and you will see the topics. Otherwise, thank you very much, Alyosha. I wish you all the best, a lot of success and a lot of fun. And to all my colleagues and the customers, I wish you a very successful trade show this year. Thank you very much. See you later. Thank you.